Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Ethereum on Crypto.com and want to move it over to Robinhood, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through the entire process step by step, tailored for 2025's updated interfaces and security features. This is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to manage their crypto more flexibly. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both the Crypto.com app and the Robinhood app installed on your device, and that you're logged into your accounts. Security is key, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on both platforms to protect your assets. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app and head to your dashboard. Tap on the Wallets or Assets section to find your Ethereum holdings. Once you locate your ETH, select it and choose the Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to select the network. Stick with Ethereum's main network for compatibility. Next, you'll need Robinhood's wallet address. Log into your Robinhood app, go to your crypto section, and find your Ethereum wallet address. Copy this address carefully, as any mistake could lead to lost funds. Back in Crypto.com, paste the address into the withdrawal form, enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer, and review any associated fees. In 2025, expect potential gas fees for Ethereum transactions, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. After confirming the details, hit Withdraw and authorize the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code, enter it to proceed. Now, the fun part. Wait for the transfer. Depending on network congestion, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, jump back to Robinhood and refresh your portfolio. Your Ethereum should appear in your account. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it a little more time or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure, and keep an eye on market volatility since crypto prices can fluctuate. That's it for this guide. Withdrawing Ethereum has never been easier. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.